Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just you see enable to join network on your iPhone, Wi-Fi network, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, just go to the settings. In the settings, first thing, just open your Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off, wait for a second, and just turn on again. Also you can try to tap on your network and just try to forget this network and just reconnect to this network again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the error, so you can also just try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you still have the error, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the error, so just try to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it was successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.